Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve battery draining issue on Motorola Razr Fold. So the easiest solution to this issue is swiping down the control center, finding the battery icon and tapping on it. This will enable the power saving mode on our smartphone, which will use a line of different solutions or list of different solutions, which will cause our device's battery to drain slower, and it will easily give us a couple of extra hours of usage. But alternatively, you can also apply some settings yourself manually, which will all increase your battery's lifetime. First of all, you can go to settings and open the battery menu. And here you can check the battery usage and see which applications use your battery the most on the list right here. You can sort them by last 24 hours or last 14 days. You can select applications you see right here and disallow background usage for them by tapping Don't Allow next to the application. If you want to preserve your battery in long-term periods, go to Battery Protection and enable this feature. Here you can select either the Smart Schedule, which will let AI learn your charging pattern and adapt your battery charging to it, or you can also select a manual schedule and limit your battery charging to 80%. Additionally, we can go to Display and we can enable dark theme. The dark theme itself will already decrease the battery usage dramatically, since it doesn't need to keep your device so bright all the time. Then we can also go to Display Refresh Rate and enable Smart and Balanced. Or you can also go with efficiency first if you don't mind lower hertz. This will also decrease your battery draining. Now, additionally, we can go to Home and Lock Screen, then go to Home Screen Settings. Now, what we can do here is we can disable Google Feed by going to Swipe Access and selecting Nothing here. Then we can also go to Lock Screen, and here we are looking for Media Preview. Let's disable this feature. We can also disable Wake Screen for Notification feature. But if you need these notifications to show up on your screen, then you can stay with this option enabled. And then check the Sleep Display menu. So if you want to really preserve your battery, disable this feature totally. This will increase your battery lifetime, although it will also make your lock screen entirely dark, and it will disable all always on display feature and things like that. And lastly, we should also check the sound settings. Now let's check where we can find them. Sound and vibration, and we can disable haptics here. To do that, let's scroll to the very bottom. Let's find vibration and haptics and switch off this feature. Also, swipe down the control center and make sure to disable things like location, Bluetooth, or even Wi-Fi when you do not use all of this, and also the mobile data. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.